Hello, my name is HansJörg Lutz. I'm a mechanical engineer. I work for Lutz GmbH in Germany. We are doing a lot of nozzles for tank cleaning, and we are a member of the EHEDG group. So we know that it's very important to have hygienic design for doing tank cleaning, and that's part of my daily business. I'm a group leader of 10 engineers, and 4 of them are just dealing with tank cleaning equipment all around that to make sure we have clean vessels.
Okay, now you're developing a new guideline specifically on hygienic tank cleaning. Can you bring in some of your expertise in the group?
Yeah, of course, because we know what's important to get a tank clean. We know how to design this equipment. We have more than 100 years experience in cleaning tanks, cleaning everything else. What I like in this group is that there are so many experts from very different fields. We have people from food industry, we have tank builders, we have microbiological experts, we have people doing trainings for hygienic design, we have quite a few nozzle manufacturers who always all bring in their experience, so it's about a few hundred years of experience we have joined here. And we share our knowledge and everybody brings in his expertise to get the best result out of this guideline. Not only I'm telling them something about how to clean tanks, I also learn a lot, and I can bring this into my daily work to improve our nozzles, to improve my daily work, to get better contact with the customers. Currently we were talking about the design of the vessels to avoid spray shadows, for example, make sure everything is cleanable.
What is the most critical part of that process?
The most critical part is to ensure that all dirt is removed out of the tank, or in the best case there is no dirt which can accumulate in the tank anywhere. So the best thing is to make a tank completely hygienically designed, so no soil can ever adhere somewhere. Since this is not possible, we're going as close as possible to this, and the rest we will remove with our nozzles. That's the point here. So both must be as good as possible, the tank itself and the cleaning equipment.
What about the materials used?
First of all, we use about more than 90% stainless steel, because that's completely normal in the food industry. And if this is not possible, we always have to use, we do use food contact material, which is according to FDA or the European guidelines for food contact.
People still need to be able to afford those materials, right?
Yes.
So how do you prevent to not overdo it?
That's why we have so many people from the practice here. I mean, we design our nozzles as good as possible, but also as cheap as possible. We are a market leader in Europe, and we are producing nozzles for a price people can afford. That's why what the other colleagues do as well. The tank builders, the people who produce and sell the food, they always look, okay, it has to be as good as possible, but it also has to be as cheap as possible. That's always the area we are moving in. It's not only hygienic design, it's also intelligent design. Hygienic design does not necessarily have to be much more expensive. Okay, slightly expensive, yes, but to get good food quality you have to invest something. That's a big problem of many people who think, okay, the food has to be as cheap as possible. No, food has to have good quality. That's what we ensure with the hygienic design here.
Thank you.